Hi friend, I am SK and today I'm talking about the BARC interview for the scientific assistant post of chemical engineering and CAT 1. This video is especially dedicated for those friends who doesn't understand Hindi or any non-Hindi spoken a student which given in the instruction. Okay, today I'm talking about the BARC interview and what are the panel and some question, which type of question asked by the interviewer. If you are fresher or non-fresher, that means if you are experienced, which type of question expected from you, and other things like which some people. Which language you should deserve and not like if you're non-hindi student so must you have only one option like english no other. If you know hindi so must do it, but you didn't know hindi so only one option is remaining like you must only should given in the english language. Okay, so basically in this video I'm talking about which type of question ask and how you can given in the best way for the interviewer, so that you must you note which things you do, which things you didn't do. Okay, so here written in the board, here one of my friend who have shared some interview question and I have shared the experience what they have asked by the interview panel from him. Okay, so first of all, this interview panel and other interview panel like DAE and BARC and Heavy Water Board and NFC and IGCAR have the same procedure. They have the same asking what question, asking and other things like. That mean I want to say every BARC, Mysore, Mumbai, IGCAR, Hemi Water Board have the same principle working the interview. Okay, so don't need the a BRC the different interview question and BRC Mysore is the different question and sometimes a heavy water board is the different interview question. Huh? Yeah, of course, sometimes different because the BRC Mumbai have a four panels and four student given in given interview at the same time and the different people involved and different professor and every interview panel have a lot of experience and have a scientist level post. Okay, so they know everything. If you something do mistake then easily catch you. Okay, and if you given your answer in a new word, they must about what are the word and so must do which must give your answer in simple language which you do on of that meaning. Okay, so generally starts about what are the asked by the my friend by the interview panel. Generally every question, general question asked by the every student during the interview in the BRC and Department of Atomic Energy have the same. Okay, so first of all interview panel ask introduction and my friend given the name, address, highest qualification and experience. Because of my friend have the Coromandel fertilizer from the Vizag, they have a lot of experience then, and that time they say 10 to 14 minutes ask about the experience. Okay, that mean then ask about write your favorite subject of any four of concern a stream like if you are chemical engineering, electrical energy, mechanical energy engineering and other things. Okay, let's spot what then because of my friend have experience they ask about experience. They ask question from the experience which the product of what is the product of coromandel fertilizer in a process involved and converter. That mean because in the coromandel fertilizer what are the specialization, what have the different from the other fertilizer do and what are the capacity and process involved that mean want ask about the every equipment and equipment how equipment work and which principle involved in the equipment and which reactor have the which principle and which reaction involved. That may reversible, irreversible and how ammonia is formation, and that time which principle is involved, which reaction involved, that is. And that time you should know about the when ammonia is formation, that is a reversible reaction, and have based on the Leach-Teller principle, which are saying about if one side of the reactant yeah product have some change in the must equalize the other side. Okay, so that time my friends is telling they have a good in experience, they given the best your answer. Okay, and then ask about the favorite subject. Then my friend deleted in the heat transfer CRE, that means chemical reaction engineering, fluid mechanics, mass transfer, and thermodynamics. Then first question asked by the interview is the types of heat exchange equipment. Then my friend is saying cooler, chiller, vaporizer, evaporator, and anything heat exchanger, uh, and given what is the heat exchanger, what is the cooler, everything do explanation by explanation my friend in front of interviewer. And same thing, not only speaking, the must do with on the board, along with written. Okay, so interview of bark generally on the just like a teacher and a student. You in that time you become a teacher, and interview panel become like a student. They ask every question, every used by the new word, every used of new words which didn't understand, they simply ask like okay, that time my interview experience like same way. Okay, and then ask about the types of heat exchanger and its explanation. Then he say cell and tube, double pipe, packing ox, that means surface heat exchanger, and youtube youtube heat exchanger, and extended surface heat exchanger. And a simple cell and tube heat exchanger is extensively used in refineries and other chemical industries. Okay, and youtube heat exchanger where is that mean use where when process fluid and any process fluid have a the large temperature difference, which minimize the expansion of the cube. Okay, and other things like a double pipe heat exchanger where which can be used when the space is low. Okay, then ask about a scrap surface heat exchanger. They didn't say what he say. Okay, you can search what the surface exchanger. And then ask what is the conduction, convection, radiation, and its principle on the method of heat transfer. You must know what is the conduction. Conduction simply that mean heat transfer from its material, that mean one material to other material by the that mean physical contact. That mean I want to say what is conduction. Conduction, that is if material conduct heat itself, and conduct a heat transfer with the physical contact with other, that is the conduction. And convection, what is convection? That means simple two fluid contact with each other and heat transfer occurs, that is the convection. And radiation, radiation, that means when heat transfer due to the radiant energy. It is the basic simple definition. If the heat transfer occurs by the radiant energy, it is called the radiation and its principle. And you must know about conduction involved principle, convection involved principle, radiation. Basically conduction involved Fourier's law, and convection involved Newton's law of cooling, and radiation involved Stephen Boltzmann law. Okay, they must have written. And then ask about what is the Fourier law, Newton's law of cooling, and a Stephen Boltzmann law, and with the explanation on the board. You must speaking in front of interviewer, or you, and you are doing also with on the board. Okay, you must remember. That's why MBRC interview is very hard, and Department of Atomic Energy interview is very hard, because you must do one time at the both side. You have a reading, you have a speaking and reading both on the board. Okay, then ask about diagram of co-current and contact current, heat transfer. It is a simple. If you reading the book of K Gawane and other things, they have simply given in the diagram. One diagram is continuously decreasing, one diagram is continuously going upward and downward. Okay, and then ask for the diagram of LMTD. A diagram of LMTD given in the K Gawane and algorithm like Mac Smith, which must have written. So must remember which types of question asked by the generally interview of BRC. Very simple question, but generally every student have must give the 100% correct answer. Okay, so prepare more and more of basic of the every subject of chemical engineering like CRE, heat transfer equipment, fluid mechanics, mass transfer, and thermodynamic. Okay, so then ask about what is the pump. It is a simple pump is a mechanical device which uses the pressure energy, which uses the kinetic energy to convert into pressure energy. And its types basically two types of pump: a centrifugal pump and reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pump basically is the types of positive displacement pump, which have many other pump like diaphragm pump, mono pump, gear pump, and the other things which come under the positive displacement pump. And centrifugal pump, basically centrifugal pump, based on the principle of centrifugal force, which convert the pressure kinetic energy into pressure energy with the help of centrifugal force. And main difference is the centrifugal pump and positive displacement pump is the centrifugal pumps give the largest capacity and highest capacity, and reciprocating pump given the highest pressure, yeah, or highest head. And then asking flow meter and its working principle. Simply flow meter like Venturi meter, Orpheus meter, rotameter, and other things. And working principle is simple. If some pipe and any other pipe reduced, diameter is reduced, and then pressure difference is created, and with the help of manometer this pressure difference is enabled to measure the flow rate of the equipment. Okay, then ask about types of level measurement. Generally, types of level measurement consist of two. One is direct level measurement and indirect level measurement. That means direct level measurement is sometimes like a rotameter, which doesn't need any conversion, or like any other like Venturi meter, which which involve in the manometer, which convert the pressure into flow rate. Okay, and in direct level measurement doesn't need any conversion. Okay, simply you can visually seen this, what are the level and flow. Okay, like if you really work in any industry, yeah, any you are simply know about this. It is a direct level measurement and simply looking on naked eye. Okay, then asking about a specific heat and heat capacity. A specific heat is a simple thing. That mean 1 degree temperature and unit substance of unit degree temperature required to raise the temperature of that. Simply, if raise the temperature of 1 degree of any substance of unit any substance, that means unit substance of to raise the unit degree temperature, required heat is called the specific heat. And a space heat capacity is simply any amount of substance required to raise the 1 degree temperature is called the heat capacity. And Carnot's principle and its symbol. Simply you must know about Carnot's principle basically involve two: reversible absorption, reversible absorption and reversible. Simply that mean a Carnot principle involve two: reversible adiabatic and isothermal principle. Okay, that means alternate. One is isothermal, then adiabatic, then isothermal, then adiabatic. Okay, Then ask about the rate constant versus this concentration diagram. It is the simple when you are reading in any book of like CRE, then draw the diagram of rate constant versus concentration. Then okay, I hope this video is helpful for any helpful for preparing the your interview, and you must doing best in your time. Okay, so don't need to worry, just read your book and prepare and believe yourself. You must do very well, very well. Okay, so thank you for watching video and best of luck for interview. Then okay, I hope I will meet in the next video.